Hey guys, in this trip we will be exploring the well-known Hoover Dam. There's a lot of people here, so something is obviously up. We're gonna have a fun time, so let's get started. So there's a big purpose to why the Herbert Hoover Dam was actually made. So it irrigates a lot of land and provides water for a multitude of people. The Colorado River is also controlled by this structure. This project was placed by Herbert Hoover, the 31st president. The bridge above is called the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. The bridge was opened in 2010 and it was built to help the US Route 93. There's something interesting about time at the Hoover Dam. The area is split by the Pacific time zone and the Mountain time zone with two different clocks to represent it. The Nevada side offers the Pacific time zone and the Arizona side offers the Mountain time zone. These towers in the water are called intake towers. This is where the water is taken to generate electricity, a process called hydroelectricity. As we were looking around, we noticed that the power line towers were slanting at a very odd angle. I tried researching the subject but found different answers from each website. As we were heading towards the parking lot, we noticed that there were a lot of things scattered along the rocks. There was a few dollars worth of coins scattered on one rock which I could have taken. There was also lots of gum sticking in one specific area. I thought it was beautiful, but I don't know what its real purpose was. We had a really fun time as we experienced lots of US history and had a really nice sightseeing time. It was really neat. It turned out that the ride back was amazing as there were lots of natural and man-made structures to see. I think that you'll also enjoy the view, so keep watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll have other videos like this coming out soon, so please check those out. I'll see you next time.